All right, if you're using Google Sheets, sometimes you want to bring data from one file into another. So these are completely separate sheets. They only have one worksheet apiece, but we're going to create a one-way connection from the detail on the right, which is, we're saying from the south location, into this summary that has all four. So in this summary, what we have is a total from each location. So we'll keep it nice and simple, and on to the right, we're just going to create one field, which is in H6, which has the total that we want to pick up. All right, so this formula is capturing all of this data. We want to only bring this one number. So the way to do this is to use a function called IMPORTRANGE. So we'll type that out right now. And we'll come down and click on this. And the first thing that IMPORTRANGE wants, we'll expand this a little bit to show us the help, is the URL of the spreadsheet that we're going to connect to. All right, so this is a one-way connection. It's going to pull data in the spreadsheet URL. We'll come over here and grab this. You really only need this string of characters in between the slashes, long one, but we will work a little bit faster here and just put the whole URL in, use a comma. Well, remember that this is surrounded in quotes, so we need to end it in a quote. And then the next thing that we want is the range string. So you got to surround this one with quotes also. It's easy to forget that with this formula. And let's go back and we'll say that's H6. We'll just do a traditional cell reference here. Come down to the end, use a closing parentheses, hit enter. And the spreadsheet function's almost ready, but you have to click in allow access. So once you click that, the IMPORTRANGE updates and you're connecting these two sheets with IMPORTRANGE. If you want to create this summary without using the sum function over here, check out this next video on the query function. Thanks for watching. It's nice to have you along.